Hello, it's me, Bonsai. Yes, it's me. So, good morning. And I'm making this video because I was so stressed last night because something happened to my YouTube account. So, I thought there's something wrong with the app, YouTube app. And I keep on refreshing it. I've deleted the app. And then I have downloaded it again, sign in, refresh the app again, refresh and refresh. And na-realize ko lang na parang may mali. So, lagi na lang something went wrong. And then, chinek ko yung email address. My Gmail email ad. And then, I have received an email on the same day that my YouTube channel was removed. The reason why is because they said that they reviewed my content and found severe or repeated violations of our spam, deceptive practices, and scam policies. So, because of this, they have removed my YouTube channel. And then sabi, pwede akong mag-appeal. So, nag-appeal ako. So, I've clicked the link to appeal my YouTube account. And then, nag-reply ulit sila. Sabi nila, they will review it and they will respond within 2 business days. So, I was thinking na may chance na pwede nilang ibalik yung YouTube account ko. So, nangyari, nag-reply ulit sila. They said that they have reviewed my appeal for the following. And, yun nga, they replied that Bonsai Ventures, we reviewed your channel carefully and have confirmed that it violates our spam, deceptive practices, and scams policy. So we know that this is probably disappointing news, but it's our job to make sure that YouTube is a safe place for all. And sabi nila, we won't be putting your channel back up on YouTube. So that means na talagang permanently na tinanggal na nila yung YouTube channel ko in YouTube app. So, nakaka-stress, nakaka-depress siya kasi lahat ng videos ko like 13 years ago, I made a YouTube channel 13 years ago. Tapos, bigla na lang nilang tinanggal. Like, they haven't given me kahit man lang 10 days para ayusin or i-delete yung mga vlog ko that causing spam or yung mga violations. So, napaka-unfair lang kasi pwede ko namang i-delete yung videos or i-re-upload ko. Pero before kasi nakaka-receive ako ng email from YouTube na nagva-violate daw ako kasi gumagamit ako ng mga copyright na music. But, yun nga, hindi ko siya tinake as seriously kasi nga, like, isa or dalawang video lang naman yun. To those who are watching, I'm really sorry. Nalaglag yung camera ko. So, yun, I don't know what I will do now. Most of my videos that I have uploaded in YouTube, I've deleted most of them on my phone kasi nga, malaki yung bytes na kinukonsume niya on my phone. Because I only upload the videos through my phone, I edit it through my phone. So, wala. wala lahat ng videos, nawala lahat. I mean, nakakalungkot. Hindi ko alam kung it's a sign na tumigil na akong gumawa ng video or it's a sign na dapat kong i-improve at dapat maging maingat. I'm so confused. But do you think it is so unfair na bigla na lang nilang tinake down yung channel ko? Hindi ko alam. Nakakalito. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. I mean, my passion is like edit videos, upload it. It's nothing personal, I mean, pero nag-enjoy akong gawin siya. Although hindi ko pa nahahanap yung perfect niche for me kasi hindi ko alam kasi hindi naman ako yung taong talagang merong masishare sa mga tao. But, alam mo yun, yung life experience in Canada, yung mga travel ko, yung mga videos ko na ginagawa na na-enjoy ko, nawala lahat. Natanggal lahat. So, hindi ko alam kung gagawa ba ulit ako ng bago as I'm making this video. I-upload ko ba to? Or hindi ko alam. Can someone guide me? Can someone teach me on how to improve my YouTube channel? I need help. And then one of my friend, a coworker of mine, I told him about what happened to my YouTube channel, and then he has some tips na or advice na binigay sa akin. So I think I'm gonna listen to him. I'm gonna ask more about on making YouTube videos or how to make more interesting my videos are. Pero as of the moment, I'm so stressed and hindi ko alam kung sisimulan ko na siya today. I don't know. So, nakakapanghinayang talagang isipin na nawala lahat ng videos ko. Kahit man lang 30 days na pwede kong i-download lahat ng videos na yun and then i-keep ko. Kasi, honestly, mga memories kasi yun. And even if I only have 292 subscribers, but still, subscribers ko pa rin sila. And yung ibang mga kaibigan ko na nagsusupport, lagi nila pinapanood yung videos ko. And I'm happy kahit may 10 views lang yan, kahit may 5 views lang yan. Happy ako na nakikita nila yung ginagawa ko, yung effort ko. Napaka-effort ko yan gawin yung videos. Kaya I'm so sad na nangyari to. At hindi ko alam. Ewan ko kung... Please help me if you are willing to help me. I'm willing to listen. Sana the next time I make a YouTube channel, mas more effective na siya. And if ever you're watching this video, I hope na andyan kayo para i-guide ako. I mean, I'm open for any negative or positive feedback. It just happened that I need you the most right now. And if ever na you wanted to help me, you can click subscribe and like, so at least I will return slowly Thank you so much for listening. Thank you, guys.